Bonjour, c'est Claire at Clearly French. Today I'm going to show you 6 ways to say to cause in French and when to use them. Obviously, causer means to cause. However, it's slightly flat and negative and we tend to prefer other verbs. Cette erreur a causé de nombreux problèmes. This mistake caused many problems. Le bruit a causé une gêne pour les habitants. The noise caused inconvenience for the residents. Because it's less varied and often slightly negative, we prefer to use verbs like entraîner, provoquer, susciter, occasionner or engendrer instead, and I'm going to show you how to use them right now. The first one, and probably the most versatile, is entraîner. It's to cause a consequence or to lead to. It implies a neutral cause-consequence relation, which is why you can use it for most things. L'inflation a entraîné une hausse des prix. Inflation has led to an increase in prices. La tempête a entraîné des retards. The storm caused delays. Cette décision va entraîner des changements. This decision will lead to changes. It's the most natural choice in economical or general contexts. The second one is provoquer, and it means to trigger, to cause, or to spark, so it's stronger and more direct than entraîner. La réforme a provoqué des manifestations. The reform triggered protests. L'accident a provoqué un embouteillage. The accident caused a traffic jam. La décision a provoqué une polémique. The decision sparked controversy. So you can see we use it when referring to reactions, crises, or strong public responses. The third one is susciter, which is to generate or to spark, especially for feelings or reactions. Le film a suscité beaucoup d'intérêt. The film or the movie generated a lot of interest. La réforme a suscité des critiques. The reform drew criticism or sparked criticism. Le projet a suscité de l'enthousiasme. The project generated enthusiasm. It's almost always used with reactions, emotions, interest, or debate. Now, these next two are a little bit more formal and more advanced than the previous ones. You don't have to use them. However, it's nice to know what they mean because you will hear it on the news or you will see it written down. So, occasionner is to cause or to result in, and it's used for practical problems and negative consequences. L'accident a occasionné de longs retards. The accident caused long delays. Les travaux ont occasionné des perturbations dans la circulation. The construction work caused traffic disruptions. Le vent a occasionné des dégâts importants. The wind caused significant damage. This is often used with words like delays, damage, disruptions, costs, and losses. The last one is engendrer, which means to generate. It's very formal and it's used for bigger or long-term consequences. Cette situation a engendré de nombreuses difficultés. This situation has generated many difficulties. La crise économique a engendré beaucoup d'incertitudes. The economic crisis has generated a lot of uncertainty. La pauvreté peut engendrer des tensions sociales. Poverty can generate social tensions. Engendrer is common in formal writing, journalism, and essays. In summary, entraîner is probably the safest and most neutral option, and it works in most situations to mean to lead to or to result in. Provoquer is also very common, especially for reactions or events. Causer is the closest to cause, but it's often used for negative consequences and sounds a bit flat, so we don't really like it. The others are a bit more specific. Susciter for reactions or emotions, occasionner for practical problems like delays or damage, and engendrer for more formal or long-term consequences. If you like this video and would like to support me, I would really appreciate it if you would leave a small tip by clicking the Ko-fi link in the description. Merci d'avance et à bientôt.